Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pay Netflix with Google Pay. Let's get started. First, open the Netflix app or go to the website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, head to the subscription page. Here, you'll choose the plan the best fits your needs, basic, standard, or premium. After selecting your plan, tap Next. Now, when asked to choose a payment method, scroll down and select UPI Autopay. Then, from the list of UPI apps, choose Google Pay. Next, enter your Google Pay UPI ID, the one linked to your bank account. Hit Next and you'll be redirected to Google Pay to authorize the transaction. And then approve the payment in the Google Pay app. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.